How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clean or descale your Keurig. This will also work with any kind of espresso maker, just like the one I have here. There are a couple extra steps that you want to do with espresso machines, but we're mainly going to focus on the Keurig today. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure that you start off, okay? You're going to make sure that everything is cleaned out, no K-cups are inside or anything like that. And basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill up the reservoir with 1 part water and 1 part distilled vinegar. That just means equal parts, half and half. And you're going to fill that up to the top line there. So it would be about to where that hook is right there, with half distilled vinegar, half water, and you're just going to run that through a couple of times until it tells you on the screen here or wherever the reservoir in mine will start flashing whenever it's low on water, and it tells you to add water. At that point, you are just going to wait for 30 minutes, let that sit. At that point, you're going to come back and dump out the rest of the water in the vinegar water in the reservoir, fill it up with fresh water again, and you are just going to run that through a few times, which that is the step that I'm on right now, and just run that through a few times until the reservoir is empty again, and you should be able to enjoy cleaner tasting coffee. You'll do this whenever the coffee tastes dirty or just starting to taste bad. You'll notice that maybe it tastes burnt, but whenever you experience that with your coffee, you will want to descale it and clean it. And now, like I said, it does work the same with these, but now just keep in mind it will take a little bit longer as espresso portions are a little bit smaller. But you're also going to want to come down in here and clean out. You just need to wipe it out, clean out that heating element right there. And that should be good. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.